So number 6, 65 is what percent of 80? You have two different ways you could do this, but the way that we talked about earlier in this chapter is the is over of equals x over 100. If we do this, it says 65 is, so we would put 65. It says what percent, so x over 100 because it's the percent, of 80, so 80 goes on the bottom. With this one, you could do a lot of different things. You could cross multiply right away. You could reduce 65 over 80 because 5 goes into both of them. And then go from there. I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply because usually that's what you would do. That means that I have 80x equals 6,500. We need to divide both sides by 80. And if we divide both sides by 80, let's go ahead and write that out. So I want to put 80 into 6,500. 80 doesn't fit into 65, but 80 fits into 650 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64, so this is 640. So we get a 10, bring down the 0. 80 goes into 100 once to give me 80. Leaves you with 20. Now we're going to add our decimal, and we can start adding zeros here. So 80 goes into 200 twice to give me 160, which then gives you 40. Add a 0, bring it down, 400. 8 goes into 45 times, so 80 goes into 405 times. Because we set this up as a proportion, we don't have to move the decimal. We just say that this is 81.25%. And we do need the percent sign because it said what percent. If it asks you for a percent, make sure you have the percent sign.